In this video tutorial, we'll show you how to activate Swap File Encryption. BCWipe can encrypt the Windows swap file, the Windows system file that is used for virtual memory support, and can store parts of documents you are working on in plain form on the hard drive, even when the documents are encrypted on a file level. Windows can put the whole document, or a part of it, in the swap file in plain form. Encryption keys, passwords, and other sensitive information can also be swapped to the hard drive, even if you use all of the latest security features in Windows. If someone does a simple investigation of the swap file in DOS mode, they could extract a lot of your information. BCWipe Task Manager can be used to activate encryption of the swap file. To enable swap file encryption, run BCWipe Task Manager and click CryptoSwap in the right upper corner of the window. Enable CryptoSwap. You can pick one of 4 encryption schemes. Check this box. This will fill the swap file with random data when the system restarts. Restarting once is required for the swap file encryption to work. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to enable swap file encryption. Thank you for watching. We hope you will be satisfied with our software.